Screen recording in Camtasia 2022 for Mac is very easy. First, you open up Camtasia, and then you'll have the welcome screen. Now you go to New Recording. So what we are going to do is work with Camtasia. After you bring this up, you have the option of recording your system audio, recording from an external mic, or recording from a webcam that you might have set up. And then you have your choice with regard to screens that you are wanting to record. I am recording off of an external screen right now. And then you go ahead and you hit start. It gives you a countdown time and it gives you the controls for which to stop. Now you can record all of this and use your controls to stop, or you can go up here, click on that, and do stop recording. Once it stops recording, you have your project already imported and you can start editing from there. And that is recording from Camtasia 2022 for Mac.